favor of 65 years. During the May 16 council meeting, Liberia, Ghana, Sierra Leone, the Gambia truly voted in favor of 65 years as retirement age against 60 years that was in the draft handbook. That I want to make it very straight. It was during that council meeting of May that the 4 countries truly voted in favor of 65 years, in contrast to the 60 years that was enshrined in the draft handbook. The second issue I want to make is that I became council member as far back as 2002 when I became chief pharmacist of the Republic of Liberia. By virtue of the position as chief pharmacist, you are automatically a council member of the West African Postgraduate College of Pharmacy. Those are 2 issues I want to clarify to be expressed on record. Thank you, sir.
Okay. You can go ahead.
Just sign out of space. It's coming. Not again, we cannot see his face, and we need to see.
Dr. Tai. Dr. Tahir.
He has put on the camera now.
Okay then. Good.
Thank you. So I allowed you to, good morning again. I allowed you to express yourself this morning by way of presentation, which you have clarified. My follow-up question is this.
I'm not hearing you, sir.
The statement.
He's not hearing. Your phone muted.
Don't mute your phone. Don't mute your phone. Can you hear me now, sir?
No. Please repeat.
I said I allowed clarified on the issue of number of countries that voted for 65.
Yes.
And also your membership of councils in 2002.
That's right.
As it is now, there are 2 versions of your evidence on the issue. Yesterday you said 3 countries voted for 65. This morning you said 4 countries voted in favor of 65. Which of the 2 versions do the court believe?
Based on my records, I am stating emphatically that Liberia, Ghana, Sierra Leone, the Gambia voted in favor of 65 years as retirement age for the staff members of the Secretariat of the WPCP, emphatically.
Thank you. So this is today's story that I know you believe, not yesterday's story.
I'm not getting you, sir.
I say it is today's version of the evidence that the court should believe, not that of yesterday. Which when you said 4, when you said 3.
No.
You said 3 yesterday.
I am saying exactly what I know of.
I'm asking you, you have put 2 versions before the court. Which of them, 3 or 4? Yesterday or today? Should the court believe?
4.
Thank you. Are you in a position?
Hold on. Okay, 4 countries then.
Okay.
Next question.
Yes. Are you in a position to tell my lord the name of the chairperson of Ghana chapter in 2022?
The name of the Ghana chapter is Dr.
Chairperson of Ghana in
Dr.
2022.
Martha Gensa Lutroth. Dr. Martha Gensa Lutroth.
Spell it. Good trot.
It's L-U-D.
Double T. L-U double T.
Double T R O
So
R
double T. Double T E R.
Thank you. Thank you for adding the
O
spelling.
D O D T.
Gensa
Lutroth.
Lutroth. Lutroth is the L-U double T E R T. Lutroth.
Lutrot. Okay.
As between you and the chairperson, Dr. Mrs. Martha, who is in a better position to convey the position of Ghana to the college?
I did not get that clear.
Were you the president, were you the chairperson of Ghana in 2022? Of Ghana chapter? Were you?
Are you abandoning the other question? Are you abandoning the other question?
Yes, I'm trying to abandon that one so that I can, and I'll follow.
Okay. So the question now is, were you the president?
Were you the president of the Ghana chapter in 2022?
You are asking whether I was the chairman of Ghana chapter?
Yes, sir.
How could I be?
Sorry?
How could I be a Ghana chapter chair? I was chapter chair for Liberia.
Yes, sir. I'm asking you, just in case you are combining them. Are you Ghana chapter in 2022 chairperson?
I was not.
Thank you. Because you are not, Dr. Lutroth, who was the chairperson, is in a better position to convey the position of Ghana chapter on the retirement age to the third defendant than yourself.
No,
there is some echo. There is echo that is distorting.
turn off your device. Nike, turn off your device. Turn it off. I think too many devices are on. Okay, let me read what I have.
Yes,
okay. So because you are not Dr. Lutroth, who was the chairperson and who is in a better position. So who is in a better position to convey the position of Ghana chapter? That was the last question. Dr. Tahir?
Yeah. The position to reach a commit or to reach approval on major issue, those statements come from the respective chapter chairs.
The position to reach what?
The position to reach a conclusion that will be carried by council come from respective chapter chairs. Ghana, Liberia, Sierra Leone, the Gambia, and Nigeria. Those are the chairpersons that can convey their position on major issues such as the issue on hand.
And the countries again are Liberia, Ghana.
The country are Liberia, Ghana, Nigeria, Sierra Leone, and the Gambia. The chairpersons can collectively pass a resolution that can meet the approval of council.
Okay.
Ghana's written position on the issue of retirement age.
Come here again.
Ghana's position, written position on the retirement age.
Your Honor.
Was it copied to you? Were you copied with Ghana's position? Was it copied? Were you given a copy of the written position by Ghana?
Your Honor. Your Honor.
Hold on, Dr. Tahir. Hold on.
I'm persuaded to complete again on this line of cross-examination on issues of positions of the member to the 65 or 60 years that retirement. My Lord, because I think that this issue is settled by the plaintiffs. We specifically cleared this in our paragraph 10 and 11 of our statement of defense. And this particular fact was never controverted in the statement of defense. All this time, paragraph 10. In our paragraph 10, we set out clearly the fact that at the meeting of the Council on 16th of May 2022, the member countries submitted their position on the retirement age. It was not, there was never a time it was said that it was done at the back of anybody. The member countries submitted their written positions before the meeting, which was read at that meeting. And even Ghana made a written submission that stated they were adopting 60 years. But at that meeting of 16th of May 2020, Ghana voted for 65 years. They turned from their written submission and voted for this. And the other three countries stood by their written submission to the council that they were for 65 years. And we exhibited this document. There's nowhere in the statement of defense where the defendants contradicted or denied that the countries made their submission. So I do not know why all these questions regarding the position of the member countries. I want to my learned say and his team to draw the attention of the court to the part of their statement of defense where they denied that the member countries submitted their positions on the retirement age at that meeting of 16th of May 2022. so that we save our time. We save our time. The way this cross-examination is going.
Have you finished?
I think.
My Lord, witness under cross-examination. Sorry, first issue of pleadings. We joined issues with them in their paragraph 10 by specific traverse in our paragraph 2. The traverse, in other words, we deny the allegation. So all the things they said in that paragraph become fact in issue, in which we can ask questions aimed at destroying what they have said, on issue of voting and written position of Ghana. Lord Witness also stated this morning that the written position as well as resolution of a chapter like Ghana are always conveyed to the council by the chairperson of the chapter. Now, this is just a follow-up question on the issue of written position. He's talking about voting. We're talking about written position, which he gave evidence this morning. On the issue of written position, which you mentioned this morning, Evidence Act. The scope of cross-examination, like I keep on saying, is not limited to his pleadings, so to say. By virtue of Section 223 of the Evidence Act, I can suggest our case to him. I can also destroy his case by showing that he lacks credibility. He says one thing today, another thing tomorrow. My position will become clearer during address. But he had mentioned written position. And I'm saying, did you see Ghana's written position with your two eyes? Were you copying with it? If he says, whatever answers he says, will determine what we'll say about him in address. The question is relevant and admissible because it's a follow-up question as to whether Ghana has a written position, which is said that that's the normal way of doing this, and whether he was copied, was not the addressee of the written position, whether he was copied with the written position. So whether he was a addressee, was he copied to him? Did he see it with his two eyes? Or is giving hearsay evidence? Now we are testing his veracity, which is allowed under Section 223 of the Evidence Act. It says that when a witness is cross-examined, he may, in addition to the question referred to in the proceedings section of this part, be asked any question which tend to test the accuracy, veracity, or credibility. If you say, this is how it is done, as I say, Ghana said 65, and I said, in that written position by their chairperson, was it addressed to you? Was it copied to you? And if you're testing his veracity, the source of his information. I'm grateful, sir.
It's because of the trend that this process that Lega has taken. I want my Lord, if we can read paragraph 10 of our statement of fact. My Lord, the days that come when they say that as a complaint.
My Lord, I'm so sorry. Your Lordship has said we should go on. He is now saying something else after going on. Brother, you cannot say anything after a ruling. Your best bet is to appeal against the ruling. Your Lordship has said, I should go on. You can't say anything there that you know. And you know better.
I'm excited to be had before a ruling.
There's a ruling already. My Lord said I should go on. My Lord has said I should go on already. There's already a ruling.
You will always go on. But I want to make a reply to what you are saying about the section 222 that is referring to.
I mentioned 223, not 222.
In the document he's referring to, which is the position of Ghana, was not made by the witness. The error we say that the cross-examination, the sky is your limit, is no longer applicable. The cross-examination should be on relevant facts. And the relevant facts are the facts in issue in a matter. My Lord, the clear reading of paragraph 10 of our statement of fact cannot be controverted by a general denier. We pleaded clearly that these positions were submitted to the council and they were read in the meeting of the council, and we exhibited the document. Those documents were never challenged anywhere in all the amendments in the statement of defense. The documents that can you use oral testimony to controvert a written document? They were not challenged anywhere. They were not made by the witness. And the witness never said they sent any document to him in person. He sent the position of Liberia, and Ghana sent their own position. So, my Lord, what I'm saying is that we can say here that it of compromise that we work. As a complaint. So
Sir? Oh, he's the one interjecting. I keep on saying. I keep on interjecting. He spent more time interjecting than. Paragraph 10, yes. Yes.
10.
Paragraph 2. That we join issues with him. I'm testing his credibility. He spends more time interjecting. Yesterday, he said we spent 5 days already, which is not true. We've done it just for 3 days, out of which we spend more time interjecting. More time interjecting by him. Yes. I'm not sure all this interjection. Sir? He's still on, sir. He's still here.
Dr. Khalil. Yep.
Not yep. Dr. Khalil.
When the court is addressing you, you answer my Lord. Yes, my Lord, okay?
Yes, my Lord.
You know what is the Sierra was traveling between Kano and he joined.
Your Honor, I'm not getting you. I'm not getting you.
Oh. And he joined the meeting.
Ooh.
He was telling me what
I did not get you.
I'm so sorry again. Yes. Yes, my Lord. Okay. Yes, sir. Doctor, the point we stopped was when I asked you a question that did you see Ghana's position paper on age of 65? Did you see it with your 2 eyes?
Your Honor, what I do know, there was a voting during the AGM, and 4 countries voted in favor of 65. And
that's for voting. The paper, the written submission by Ghana, did you see it with your two eyes?
I don't know.
Okay.
I said, I asked you again, did you see it? You don't know. Ghana, you saw it, you didn't see it. Did you see it again?
I do know about Liberia. I don't know of other countries.
Thank you. How about Nigeria? Who was the chairperson of Nigeria in 2022?
Dr. Obono.
Who was the chair of Nigeria?
Yes, the name of the chair of Nigeria.
Dr. Margaret Obono.
Obono, O-B-O-N-O.
O-B-O-N-O.
Yes, Obono, yes. And the secretary then was Dr. Okafor.
Come here again.
The secretary was Dr. Okafor. Am I right? Dr. Okafor was secretary to Nigerian chapter.
I may not be aware.
Okay,
I don't
thank
know.
you.
But I do know the chapter chair.
Thank you.
But their officers, I may not be aware of other officers of the chapter.
Thank you. Are you also aware that Nigeria had a written position on this age of 65? Are you aware? Written position signed by Obono. Are you aware?
I'm not aware.
Okay. And you will not know, Nigeria also voted against 65 and voted for 60 years.
Yeah, when Nigeria voted for 60 years.
Oh, yes, Nigeria voted for 60 years.
Go ahead.
Now, in the council meeting of 2021, a total of 26 members attended that meeting. The 2021 council meeting, 26 members attended.
Are you asking him to confirm?
Yes, I'm asking you. There were 26, sorry, 28 attended. No, not this one. There's another. Just hold on first. One second. Okay, like that. 26. Okay, that's yes. Meeting of May 16th of May 2022. That was a council meeting. So that's 64th council meeting.
Yeah.
On 16th of May 2022.
So a total of 28 members attended that meeting.
No, 26, my lord. 26. 26 members attended, including yourself. You are there.
What is your
26
question?
attended.
What is your question?
Yes. Can you confirm that, sir? That 26 members attended.
In due respect to you, sir, I am not part of Nigerian chapter. I could not verify the number of persons that attended the AGM or 2022 May 16. I will not verify that.
It's a council meeting. Are you not a member of council?
Definitely.
Yes, it's a council meeting. It's there now. As number 8. You forgot it?
I didn't forget. I said I will not verify the number of attendees from Nigeria. I know of myself.
Don't go there yet. Don't go there yet.
Hold on. This question, at the council meeting of 16th May 2022, a total of 26 members attended that meeting. Please confirm if the 26 members from Nigeria or 26 members in the council meeting. The 26 members you're talking about.
From all the 5 chapters.
My Lord, what he's stating, I will not be comfortable to confirm, but what I do know, I was present, and usually Nigeria being the country that produces a larger number.
Can you take it again?
So
you are not present.
I said I was present. I was present in 2020, but I cannot confirm the number of attendees coming from Nigeria.
I'm not asking that question yet. Total number of attendees, not Nigeria.
Your Honor, I may not be able to say outright the total number of attendees.
Council meeting.
Dr. Tahir.
My Lord.
Dr. Tahir. Let's be on the same page. This question is for the council meeting, not AGM.
Okay.
The council meeting of 15th May 2022. Defense Council.
Yes, I'm grateful, sir.
So please confirm.
My Lord.
If you know, yes. If you don't know, let us know. Let's move on.
I cannot confirm that number, but what I do know, I was present.
Okay. Okay. You were present at the council meeting. Okay.
You mentioned something about Nigerians being in the majority. About how many of them are from Nigeria at that council meeting?
I would not be able to figure out how many were present. I would not be able to figure out that.
Well, we have it on record that Nigeria had 10 in attendance. 10 out of 26.
That may be right.
Thank you.
There had 10 attendees.
10 in attendance in the council meeting.
Okay, go ahead.
Also, I'll suggest to you that Ghana had 5 out of the 26, making a total of 15. Am I right? Ghana had 5. Hello, Doc.
I cannot confirm the numbers you are talking about.
Yes, sir.
But I do know all the countries were represented during that council meeting. But to say specifically this number of attendees from this country, I cannot confirm.
The records are there.
All right.
I'd like also to confirm that Ghana and Nigeria were in the majority. They had more delegates. 15 out of 26. The records are there.
15 out of
26.
yeah.
Yeah, what's your
Dr. Tariq,
response?
can you confirm?
Ghana and
cannot-
Nigeria
I
had
cannot-
more
I can-
population. They had more members than the three other combined.
I cannot confirm that.
Okay. It was at that meeting that the decision of ESCO on A60 was ratified. The minister there. It was at that meeting that ESCO decision on A60 as retirement age was ratified.
60 what?
60.
60.
Yeah. That's 2021. Yes, sir. 2022. It was ratified.
It is untrue.
It is untrue. Also, in 2021 meeting,
If you give me, let me give you background information if you want to.
no, the
It is
minutes of
not
meeting are there. You don't need to worry yourself. The minutes of meeting are there. In 2021, Council also ratified that same decision.
It's not true.
It's not true.
No.
Next.
Minutes of meeting of 2021 were read and adopted during the meeting of 2022. Am I right?
I will not be able to confirm that many. In fact, what is stipulated
No.
is the
What I'm
cause
asking is
of our is the cause of this court matter.
Sorry?
What I'm saying, whatever minutes that you are projecting is the subject of the court matter because it did not carry what
I know. I agree. But the question is whether the minutes of 2021 meeting were adopted or not during the 2022 meeting.
I will on the question of the handbook.
Sorry, your lawyer is talking now, please.
Okay.
The ICC not give evidence. The duty of the ceremony for the court. My Lord, I think about minutes of meetings that are not shown to the witness. And all the you said the minutes are there, the documents are there. Without showing him the document, he is expected to answer questions related to those documents. I'm objecting to the witness being asked questions on minutes that are not minutes.
Your Lord,
Oral testimony cannot be used to change the position of that document. My the document has to be there. It has to be shown to you.
Okay.
My Lord, again, I am at liberty to suggest our case to him. He was at the meeting. Both meetings was present, according to him. So let him tell us whether he recollected what happened or not.
I
We
can
know
tell you
that
that.
they had showed him documents before.
I can
And he
tell
said,
you that.
they said there's no point wasting time. If I show him now, he will say he doesn't know anything about it. We have done it before. Even that something that is obvious, read it. Say I cannot read. So, my Lord, so why waste time? The result is, if I show him the ministry meeting, he will say he cannot see it. The documents are there, but I'm confronting him at the meeting. These are the things that happened. Confirm. Testing his memory 5 years along the line.
My Lord.
Yes, go ahead.
May I give you background information?
So there's no room for background information, sir.
No. You are
You
missing
answered
the point. You are missing the point. You are missing the point.
On your objection that questions in the meetings, not before the court.
That because the witness said that you then you examine a witness on a document that is not before the court, a document that is not the evidence, you ask him to question about that document. That is not true.
Just a minute. So this question, these minutes, they've not been tendered before the court, right?
No, not yet. But I am confronting him. But he wants me to tender it, to show it to him. We'll demonstrate now.
I think that's the best thing.
Once we see the results, it's still the same.
Let's try and be fast about it. Any document you are going to cross-examine him, tender it to the court.
Well, we had tried to tender documents through him. And he said he doesn't know anything. We'll see it again. We'll see it again. Give me one of the minutes. 2022.
Clement Counsel, we didn't tender any of those minutes, right? We did not tender any of those minutes. We did not. Same minutes.
They tendered it. Exhibit what?
We did tender these minutes we are talking about.
We tendered the proper person of the meeting.
Oh,
The one
My Lord, these are very strong words. Another friend cannot say
you have
that.
to be careful. Well done.
My Lord,
Okay.
and stated that they were left for the purpose of the action. So I don't know where the offensive comes in.
the one that shows attendance, the one that just the one that has the attendance. Not tendered. Which one did they tender? Does it contain that? Was it signed by anybody?
CW1 being cross-examined.
Yeah.
CW1 has been cross-examined. He has been cross-examined.
Sound pictures? Yeah. That's what it is. Can I have the reports? No, their own. C29. C29.
Ibrahim, where's the clipper?
C29. What is happening? Yes. Page. The last page. You show him the first page. Show him the last page, this one, and the first page. confirm that's the minutes of 2022. C29.
Are we there?
We're there. It's showing the first page and last page. The first page shows the date of the meeting.
Which verse?
Last page.
Okay. It's my one. The iTunes. If you complete. I don't know. What's it? On the camera. No, we can't. Yes. Yes. Was it okay? Dr. Tari.
Yes, my
Okay,
lord.
look at the document. LBC 29.
I cannot confirm.
What did you say? What did you say?
I say I cannot confirm that.
I cannot see.
Not that I say I can't now
Come.
confirm the minutes so projected. In fact, if I want to add, whatever is fabricated is the cost of this court case today.
You can snap it and send to him. Okay. Because there's camera there. There's a camera here. Expand it. So now we listen. You really want to save it from his phone. Well, you're not sending it directly to his phone. Oh, okay. It's not a WhatsApp call. You can see it.
That's it.
Dr. Tahir,
Yes.
can you look at your at the screen?
I am looking at the minutes so projected.
Okay, good.
But what I'm saying,
Yes.
what I'm saying, I will not confirm what is written therein. In fact, what is written therein is the object of the court case today. So it's not anything that I can confirm.
Okay. Okay, your question was look at exhibit C9. What was your question before he said he
The question
cannot?
is that the first page shows that is the minutes of meeting of 2022. Let him confirm that. Minutes of meetings of 18th May 2022.
18th May.
May, yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Yes, 1-8. You should confirm. That's the heading you have there.
Mr. Zubike, tell him that's
I cannot confirm that.
You cannot confirm what you see and you can read.
My lord, I said I cannot confirm What is
Sorry,
here?
stop it. Cannot confirm, despite saying it. They cannot confirm that's the
It
mission.
is the object, what is written there is the object of the court case today.
Nobody's talking about genuity. My Lord will do that one. Let him confirm that it's 18th of May, that is seen with his two eyes.
Okay, hold on. For this, he said I cannot confirm.
Yes.
Okay.
That's
He said that
no.
that means that is what he said. That is what he said.
That is for my Lord to decide.
The reason is because in terms in our own case, we have in paragraph 11 pleaded the actual minutes of that meeting, which is the same heading,
Sorry.
except for the content. And again, we also pleaded at the purported meaning of that meeting, which they made for this act. We presented both sides. The same date, the same meeting, what was published by the immediately after the meeting, and what they later after we have started this act. So that is why we presented to them. If my Lord will look at our list of documents, we see at 29, the purported summary for proceedings and decisions of the council as reported by the court case. That is where we tell that as what they are proposing now. So the beginning of that, we are right to our see them. We have read that the beginnings of that.
You had earlier tendered this with what?
The beginning of that. I'm getting the
Everybody sign it. That's it. Purported highlights. 29. Let me start that. What is yours? You should bring this original.
most of the, we have that. But I want the court to tell, because that day I will locate the number of years. I will want the court to look at what we said that. What we said that is the purported minutes of that meeting presented by the. It's not the minutes of the meeting. And we stated consistently that the doctors do documents to suit their purpose.
Allegation of crime.
So, and that is the next thing, that you cannot compare the genuineness of that. That they were
I would still like him to look at the last also, because he is just addressing himself. I'm confronting.
Same page 29, same 29.
To tell us what he saw at the under CM20, the very first one, under staff handbook. What is this? Read it out.
What is this?
Can you read it out? Doc, please, can you read it out? What you have under staff handbook?
Your Honor.
Read it out. Read it out.
No, if it is read out to me, that will be fine. I may not be able to do that.
You can't
see.
See?
If it can be read,
huh?
If it is
so
read,
read.
You can't read.
If it is read to him, let Mr. Zubike read it.
Okay, I'll read it to him.
Take it to Mr. Zubike to read it, so he'll be sure what they are reading. Take it to Mr. Zubike.
But even then, it's not.
You can ask him.
Yes.
The one you see.
yes.
Yes. The question let ask that. It says conditions of service. That is
You are distorted.
the last the summary of proceedings and decisions of
Okay.
This particular change that the by the executive committee and the as an document of the policy signed the commencement on 12 July 2019. So let me ask the question. Do you get
you are coming in broken.
I said last page, the portion that the senior doctor asked you to read to you, or the purpose to respond on. Say,
You are coming in broken, so I am not getting exactly what you are saying.
I said the question that the court wants to be asked. Are you hearing me?
No.
Right. Can you hear me?
I don't know. There is an echo that is distorting what you are saying.
We can get to where here.
Go ahead.
Okay. That portion of the message, of that document
It's seen as we are
the
trying
council meeting, with their requirements, to say the council recommends approval
the council of the executive committee
8 p.m.
and 8
as an official document commencement
signed with commencement
of
of
do you hear me?
Do you hear me?
Whatever you read there is not true.
That's what
What did you say?
Not
That what I read there, it has to be.
Okay, let's
Thank
move
you.
forward. I think we've spent enough time.
but
Emphasis.
something of
And
decision
decision
of adopted by the fourth annual general. My Lord, if my Lord,
I'm so sorry. My last cannot be making a submission. I'm doing the cross-examination. He's already making submission.
Is that the C3
29.
and C29? So what are you drawing the court's attention to? Just a minute.
what I'm trying to draw the court's attention is the particular portion we have just, which is asking the
Witness.
I don't understand the question, but you are saying that that's
supposed to be a report of the committee. And this report being made after the council meetings precedes the general meeting. The council meeting is where the member will take decision on what will be ratified at the general meeting. So there are the council reiterated approval of the staff by the executive and AGM filed as official document signed with commencement on Tuesday, July. So what is contained in the minutes of the
These are matters for address. There are ways of doing things. These are matters for address. This is an address before address. I'm asking you questions. You have said. Next question. Do you have the authentic minutes of meeting of AGM and council? Do you have it? It says fake. This one is fake. Where is the original? Where is the authentic one? Do you have it? Do you have the authentic?
Is it online?
Is it,
Dr. T?
Yes.
Yes. He said this one that you read out is false, it's fake, it's doctored. Let's agree with you that it's doctored. Can you produce the authentic one? Duly signed by the officers of the third defendant.
Well, I may not forthrightly put my hand on what's written, but what I do know.
Say that again.
I may not put my hand on the correct version of what was written, but as a bona fide attendee of the council meetings, both at the 20 in Ghana 2021 and 2022, I can give clarity on the resolution, on the decisions that were made. In Ghana, when the issue of the handbook came. Liberian chapter objected to that because it did not carry the collective decision of the member states. There, Liberia indicated the handbook should be secularized for the input of member states. That was the conclusion of the meeting.
Dr.
Ghana.
Repeat what you said.
I said,
You see what happened in Ghana?
in Ghana, the issue of the handbook came up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
The position of Liberia was the handbook should be circulated again for the input of member states. And that decision was carried. The Secretary General was mandated to circulate that handbook. And in February, I repeated the call to the Secretary General, at which time he did. And when that happened, there was people that bought into the economy and stated 65 years. Then at the council meeting, the question came about as to what was the way forward. And 4 out of the 5 member states agreed on 65 years as the retirement is for the staffers of the Secretariat. That was the decision. There, the sitting president overruled the decision and indicated it must carry 60 years. It was from that point that the Liberia chapter had to distance herself from that decision. So what
the sitting president who?
The sitting president, Professor Cecilia R. Iguelo, overruled the majority vote for 65 years.
Okay.
65 years.
So
it was predicated on that rule, which we thought was dictatorial. Liberia distanced herself from the decision and wrote a position statement against the rule. That is the fact, and nothing but a fact.
Okay. Next question then.
Yes, you are saying that the minutes of meeting read out by a lawyer or somebody of minutes of meeting was forged by whoever signed it. Am I right?
Yes, okay, it's 11:20. 11:20.
My questions are very simple, but he's the one, and I don't want to cut him short. And I still have a few questions for him. Are you saying it was forged or not?
Whatever that is written, I cannot authenticate. Whatever that is written there, I cannot authenticate. But what I do know, Liberia distanced herself from that ruling of May 16, 2022.
Now, apart from Liberia, which you are the one who goes for Liberia, am I right? You wrote on behalf of Liberia. Your position statement, am I right?
Liberia wrote a position statement.
Who signed for Liberia?
As chair and our Secretary General.
Did you not sign it as chair?
Well, it's
sign as
communication. It's a communication that is written via or email.
You signed or you wrote as chairman.
Our names are indicated at the end.
Is your name there or not?
Our names are indicated at the end.
Your name was there.
Yes,
because you
my
mentioned
name
it.
and Secretary General name there.
Okay. I still ask you again, where is the authentic minutes of meeting that reflects all the ones you have said orally? Where is it?
When the position statement was sent?
Yes, it says you cannot authenticate. Now the one you can authenticate, where is it?
What I am saying, following the May AGM committee meeting, Liberia.
Hold on, Mr. Tahir, Dr. Tahir. So the question is, you said C-29 is forged. So where is the authentic minutes? Dr. Tahir, quickly.
I may not put my hand on the authenticated one now.
Thank you.
Okay.
Now, there was no 2020 AGM or council meeting.
2020.
There was none.
There were none. As a result of COVID.
Thank you. Before the last AGM and council meeting was in May or March 2019. Am I right?
Just a minute. The last AGM
was, I think it was March 2019. March 2019, yes.
Yes.
Yes, it's confirmed.
No,
please confirm that the last AGM.
Listen, I cannot confirm. The AGM I can confirm was the 2018. 2018, that what I can confirm in the Gambia.
Yes.
2019, we should have had one. There was this COVID went to 2021, 20, there was no AGM until 2021.
Dr. Tahir, we are acting like 2019.
Dr. Tahir, we are acting like 2019.
I cannot confirm 2019.
Thank you.
Whether there was an AGM. But I do know of 2018.
Okay, 2018 in Zambia, right?
Also, there was no council meeting in 2020 because of COVID.
No council meeting in 2020.
How about 2019?
I cannot confirm.
How about 2019? During this period, ESCO met. There were meetings of ESCO between 2018 and 2021. There were meetings of ESCO. 18 or 2019, 2018 and 2021. There were meetings of ESCO, which you attended also.
I do know there was 2021 meeting in Accra.
ESCO.
EXCO is cancelled.
Executive committee.
Not that I know of. Not that I know
Correct
of.
me if I'm wrong. Executive committee is ESCO, Abi?
Not that I know of.
Executive committee, I think.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I am not aware.
EXCO is
yes. They are the management of the place. Executive committee.
I just want to ask something.
Yeah, you have the
AGM,
followed by council, followed by ESCO. Then the various
council, then you
committees.
have EXCO, and then the various committees. Okay.
2018 and 2020.
So now the question, during this period, met in 2018 and 20. Dr. Tahir.
Yeah.
You attended during the
2018 and 2021.
Come here again, my lord.
Between 2018 and 2021, will you confirm that there were ESCO meetings?
There were ESCO meeting 2021.
How about 2020, 2019?
I cannot confirm.
He said there was ESCO meeting 2021.
2021.
Will you confirm also, or you cannot confirm?
But you can't confirm
Ebola
2018 and 2019.
Ebola disrupted the meetings of the college. And so the only meeting I can remember clearly was 2018, and the one I can remember 2021. In fact, if you look at the brochure, it's a combined meeting in 2021.
I didn't get that. You look at which brochure?
I said the program souvenir carries 2 meetings. I can remember.
I didn't get what he's trying to say. Mr. Zubike, I don't understand what he's saying.
There should have been graduation in 2020, and there should have been graduation in 2021.
The question is there was ESCO meeting in 2021. Sorry, during the period, ESCO meetings, ESCO meetings between 2018 and 2021, which you attend, please confirm. I don't know what he's talking about, brochure and the rest and graduation.
I can confirm the 2018 and 2021.
So there was ESCO meeting in 2018.
Okay, so there was ESCO meeting in 2018.
2018.
In
the Gambia. I cannot confirm 2019 and 2020, but I do know 2021 there was ESCO meeting.
For 2019 and 2020. 20. That's what he said. Ezubike.
2021, yes, I can confirm.
20, yes. Yes. Okay. All right. Next question then.
Yes, would you tell my lord how the affairs of the college was then run between 2018 and 2021?
Come here again.
How was the affairs of the college run during that period of 2018 and 2021?
Well, the college functions were suspended as a result of COVID-19.
Yes, so there are no ESCO for 3 years.
No. For COVID-19, as a result of COVID-19, the function of college suspended until 2021.
Yes, that's 3 years. 2018 to 2021. Yes.
Yeah.
No, cancel. He said there was ESCO meeting in 2018.
2018
Yes,
to 2021.
19, 1, 19 to 22, 20 to 21. 3. Yes.
How was the affairs of the college run?
Yes, during that period, when there were no meetings.
What there may have been communication via or telephone, but those years.
So you said the functions were suspended due to COVID.
Yes.
Dr. Tahir.
Yes.
What I have recorded is that the functions were suspended due to COVID.
Suspended.
The functions were suspended due to COVID.
For 3 years.
That's between 2018. There was a meeting in 2018.
Yes, my lord.
That is recorded.
Yes.
And there was a meeting in 2021.
Yes, my lord.
So between 2018 and when the meeting took place in 2021.
3 years.
After the meeting in 2018.
Yes.
If the meeting in 2018, 2019 there was no meeting. 2020 there was no meeting. 2021 there was a meeting. That's what I have recorded, and that's my understanding.
No problem, my lord. I appreciate the point. I'm almost done with him.
You 2021 there was a meeting, ESCO meeting.
Subsequent council meeting which you attended.
Again?
The subsequent council meetings which you attended in 2021 on 3rd. Mention was made.
The subsequent meetings which you attended,
particularly that 4th of May 2021. 4th of May 2021.
3 2021.
Yes,
mention was made
of decisions of the ESCO, which the council ratified. Decision of mention was made of decisions of ESCO, and that decision was deliberated upon and approved by council. You were at that meeting. Am I right?
I continue to say. I continue to say. Yes, 2018 there was a AGM in the Gambia. The next AGM that I can remember now was 2021 in Accra.
So I continue to say in 2018, there was AGM in Ghana.
In 2021.
No, 2018, there was AGM in the Gambia.
Yes, sir.
Gambia, okay.
And 2021 was held in Ghana.
And 2021 was
Third
another
of May.
one in Accra.
Accra, Ghana, yes.
The other years were interrupted by coronavirus.
You attended that of 21 May in Ghana. Am I right?
Come here again.
You attended the one held on 3rd of May 2021 in Ghana.
That's right.
During that meeting, discussions were held on the handbook. Which the ESCO had approved on behalf of us. They discussed it. Was discussed.
No, sir. The truth of the matter, the handbook was discussed 2021. The truth of the matter, the handbook was discussed 2021 AGM. And the position Liberia was that handbook has to be circulated among member states for their input. And that the position was carried. That's what I continue to say.
Hold
In
on.
2021, Liberia indicated that the handbook should be recirculated for the input of member states. And that position was carried. And that information of recirculating the handbook, I re-echoed it in February 2022 to the SG to sell, and there he did it. That when people had their input, and that input was discussed 2022 in May. That's the trend of event. And in that, 4 countries agreed. Yes.
Okay, what I have recorded, the handbook was discussed in 2021.
Yes.
The position of Liberia was that the handbook should be circulated.
That's right.
And that position was agreed on.
It was carried.
Yes.
Yes. So in February, that was stopped. In February, what happened? They circulated and circulated.
And in 2022 February, I mandated the Secretary General to act on the mandate of ESCO during 2021, at which time he...
Yes, at which time?
During our FNGPC meeting in February 2022, I mandated the Secretary General to enforce the mandate of ESCO by recirculating the handbook for the member state import. And he did. As a result of that, member states agreed on the age 65 and
Hold on. So as a result of member states agreed on page 65.
Yes.
Mhm.
In 2022, member states agreed 65 in a vote, but the president overruled the majority vote. The sitting president, Professor Cecilia I. Iguelo, overruled the majority vote for 65 years.
Mm.
And it was predicated on that Liberia wrote a position statement like distancing herself from the rule. That is the trend of the matter.
Thank you for the trend. You are discussing post what happened at May 21 meeting and thereafter. Let's go to what happened before. Confirm to my lord. Who presented the handbook to the council that was rejected? Who presented it?
Handbook to
Tell me
the council.
again, you are distorted.
The handbook, which end soon.
I love my today. Or can NSC say that he's still on his feet cross-examining because I'm contradicted?
You
For
are.
how many hours today? Is this case different from other cases before this court? This court has a tradition. With the trend of case, when this matter ever ends,
It will end.
my lord, the claimant that is before this court has been since 2022. When this matter ever ends, let us be fair. Let us be fair. Let us be fair. The issue was is this made constitutionally, but we have not got the constitution to know who is to break the hand. It's provided by the constitution. It's provided by all these questions. Where are they going to? I have seen the two witnesses that they are listed. The principal actor, Professor Ibilo, who did the whole thing, and who this matter is centered upon. They are not. He's not coming here as a witness.
No, I'm so sorry. Another friend cannot talk about my witness.
It's delayed and delayed because they think that the claimant is suffering. And this cross-examination is closed. My lord, I understand that the council on the other side is a learned senior advocate. But that cannot be used to make injustice on the claimant. It is stupid to ensure that parties here get justice. Why is this cross-examination going through this trend? My lord, it's sad. It's sad. This is a court of justice.
It's noted. So can we just?
I'm almost finishing. But like I said, I have to keep quiet because of the person I told. But what he's doing is not how it should be done. But I have kept quiet deliberately. Yes, I was taking you back that who presented the
Handbook.
to the council. Who presented it? Please confirm.
Hello?
Who presented the handbook to the council during its meeting of May 2021, I believe?
Your Honor, I continue to emphasize the truth of the matter as past president of the college. The handbook was discussed. The issue of the handbook came up during the AGM 2021, and the position of Liberia was it has not met
out of the
it
question.
has not met the approval
Who
of member
presented
states
this to the council or the AGM? Who presented?
I'm not getting you.
Who presented it to either the council or the AGM? That's a handbook. Who presented it?
The Secretary General.
Thank you. Was it circulated before the meeting?
General.
It was never circulated
Before
to
the
get
meeting.
the approved input of member states
I
up
didn't
to
get the question.
2021.
Not for input. My question is whether it was circulated
I said the
to
question.
members before the meeting, like you send in an agenda and supporting paper as a supporting paper for the agenda before the meeting.
My Lord, let me state clearly. The handbook was never circulated up to 2021 when it came out, and I said, no, we must have our input into the handbook before approval, and council carry it. That is the genesis of the whole matter we are treading today. And 2022, yes.
The question is, was it before the meeting? And you said the handbook was not circulated.
It was never circulated.
Are you saying you saw the handbook for the very first time at that meeting?
The handbook came out.
Which
That was the first
AGM.
time. That was the first time.
Okay, thank you.
We got the information about it 2021, and I objected its approval because member states had to make their input.
Thank you. And will you know who?
Get all this. Were you seeing the handbook for the first time in 2021? And you said yes, right?
Yes, for the first time.
Yes, for the first time. Next question.
So it was never circulated.
Do you know who prepared it?
Come here again.
Who prepared the handbook?
Well, as per protocol, important policy documents of that nature, they are prepared by the Secretariat and brought forward for...
Hold on. It's 11:40.
Finally, my lord.
As per protocol,
what I am saying.
It is prepared by the Secretariat.
And they were prepared before the meeting. They were prepared before that meeting of May 2021.
Sorry? They were prepared, but they
before
were
the
never
meeting.
secularized before the meeting.
Okay, finally for you, sir. Are you aware that there is a new admin manager? Yes, already employed since December 2022.
In fact, let me
Are you aware? Yes or no?
December 2022.
Yes, my lord. And her name is Christina Ofonabolu. Are you aware that one Christina Ofonabolu, OFORNOGOLU, is now the admin officer, admin manager, sorry, since December 2022. Are you aware?
That position at this as chairman of FNGPC, as you have vetted that position without my consent, the Secretary General and the President carry out that. So I distanced myself from the interview of the army manager, and I made it clear to counsel that I was never a part of that interview. Because my reason, I said the case currently, this position is contested in court. So while the court case is going on, we cannot hire a new army manager. That was my position.
Yes, sir. I'm asking about what you know, what you are aware of. That's as we speak today, Christiana Fonagolu is the admin manager in place, that place. Not whether you agree or not. Are you aware of it?
And I'm giving you what I do know, my dear.
You are giving your reason why you are not part of it. Are you aware that it's there?
But let the record go straight.
Are you
how
aware?
The new army manager came in power. I contested, I protested that we could not have hired a new army manager while the kid was in court, but the majority overruled and they elected, they chose a new army manager. That's what I'm saying.
So the president overruled.
The president overruled.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, what I have record. Okay, the position as chair, I stand myself from the interview.
As
chairperson, on that.
I'm talking about he's being aware. Let us know whether he is aware or not.
Well, as chairperson, I should be the one.
Ask himself. Interview. What he knows.
As chairperson, I should be the one to even put forth the army manager for interview and subsequent appointment.
It's not about the interview.
That was not done. So I distanced myself from it.
In that position today. That's the question.
Let's go ahead.
Yes, you now have you're distancing yourself from it. Do you also have a position paper distancing yourself from the appointment of the new admin manager? All this is yourself. Do you have? Do you have
the minutes? The minutes carry it, and I made note to that.
So, do you have anything showing your displeasure or your protest against it in writing, duly signed by you? Do you have?
What I said?
Anything written by you, like a position paper? Say you are doing the wrong thing. I'm distancing myself.
Well, what I said, I made my position clear as chairman of FNGPC, and the minute carried it. I did not write a position statement to that.
No, I did not write.
Okay.
The decision of FNGPC, when you came to office, how many have you reversed?
4 minutes.
No, I'm so sorry. How many have you reversed? Decision by previous FNGPC chairman. After you came into office, how many of them have you reversed?
The position, I'm not talking about why. I'm not understanding why you talking about revision.
I said decisions before you became chairman of FNGPC by previous chairman of FNGPC. How many of them have you reversed?
That's the decisions of
FNGPC.
I can't remember that. The records are there. I can't remember. That no, I can't remember. I took over from Wusha Jensen as chairman of FNGPC, and as per protocol. As per protocol, any position for the secretariat should be vetted by FNGPC. Once the person is chosen, then we make recommendation to council for and for approval. And
Thank you.
that was not that was not followed.
Repeat that. You say as a protocol, what happens?
Yep.
My final question to you is this: you now have a new ESCO.
Answer my question. Was trying to say something as per protocol.
The protocol, any appointment. Is it still on?
Is it still on?
I can see him. Still on, my lord.
Eh?
The court is asking you what you said. You said as a protocol. Repeat what you said last.
I'm not getting that well. But let me state
You said
it.
All questions do. There was something you said.
I said I did not participate in the interview of the new army manager. Rightly speaking, for any officer of the secretary to be, that has to come from the FNGPC to do the interview, and when it's completed, the successful candidate is recommended for approval by council. That is the normal protocol. But in the case of Pristine Obono, when that came, I recruit myself from the interview because the president.
So it's ratified by who?
The president did not sit as chairman of FNGPC. The president did not consult me.
Okay, go ahead, please.
Yes.
The president did not consult me. And when I heard,
okay,
Dr. Tai,
yes,
you are evidently unhappy that you were not consulted.
I was never consulted.
You are not happy.
So I did not participate in the interview.
Sorry? You are not happy.
I was not consulted, so I did not participate in the interview of the new.
You are not happy that you are not consulted. You are unhappy that you are not consulted.
It's a transgression of our protocol.
Yes. I say, are you happy with that? Or happy?
You cannot bypass the relevant committee responsible. I
say, are you happy or unhappy with that? Are you happy or unhappy with it? That's the question.
Whether I'm happy, I am not happy. Whatever was done was a breach of our protocol.
I'm happy. Your happiness about it. Are you happy or unhappy?
It has nothing to do with my happiness, but it's a matter of the protocol that is.
Finally, you now have a new ESCO. Am I right?
Come here again.
You have a new president now.
The new president.
You have a new president.
Yes.
You also have a new secretary general.
Yes.
Different from Iguilo and Oreagba.
Yes.
Thank you. To the best of your knowledge.
Okay. Council, that's the last.
Has the council reversed that decision of 60 years retirement age? Has the council reversed?
I'm not getting your question.
The decision of.
Yes, the decision on 60 years.
The
witness.
The new president. Well, let me say that the election of the new president and secretary general, I did not attend the meeting.
That's not the question. That's all for the council. I'm leaving this meeting now, please.
No, I'm done with him. I'm done. Thank you. Sir? We know that we could start off with one or two of these. But you have a motion. Like a house cleaning exercise. You dated 21st day of July and filed on the same 21st day of July 2025.
Yes.
Please, you're the chair. You can do.
You're the fourth. You're the fourth.
Please come here again.
Hold on. Let me call the chair.
Okay.
Okay, so Supreme Witness, that is the start of the legal cause.
So you can do it.